Coconut oil hair mask, for hair growth. Coconut oil has been used for hair since long ago, especially in the Asian countries. The simplest way to use it is to massage the scalp with it, and apply it on the hair, just before taking a shower. This unsophisticated procedure helps promote hair growth, makes the hair strands stronger, reduces dandruff, gives the hair shine, and conditions it. But our hair mask contains other valuable ingredients too. Avocado is moisturizing and nourishing for the scalp and hair, because it contains a lot of vitamin E and fatty acids. Rosemary essential oil stimulates blood circulation in hair follicles, making them produce thicker and longer hair. Aloe Vera gel maintains the proper functioning of hair follicles, and has soothing and cooling properties, by which it reduces scalp inflammation and irritation. Hair growth mask recipe. Add these ingredients into a high-speed blender: 1 teaspoon of creamy coconut oil, 1/2 of a peeled, seeded, and diced avocado, and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Blend the ingredients until you get a smooth substance. Pour it into a bowl, and stir in 5 drops of rosemary oil. How to use the mask. Lean slightly over the bathroom sink, section your hair, and apply the mask lavishly onto your hair, to cover it all. Tie your hair up, cover it with a shower cap, and let the mask sit on the hair for about 15 minutes. After that, rinse your hair thoroughly with tepid water, then shampoo it as usual. You can adjust the amounts of the ingredients according to your hair length and thickness.